Good afternoon. I'm going to do a quick demo of automatically downloading files from an image services provider. Then the next step, what will happen is it will be sent to an FTP server, and then after that it'll send an email notifying the users that the image download request was processed properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this executable here, and then I'm not going to touch anything else. So what just happened there was it read the Excel file and obtained all the parameters needed for executing this job. And now it just opened up the iStock image services provider, and what it's doing now is it's looking for the sign in button on the screen. And once it finds it, it will go ahead and move to that button and we'll click it. There you go. So it just clicked the sign in button. Now we're on the login screen. It's filling in the user credentials from that Excel file. I'm not doing any of this. The machine is doing it all by itself. Now it's looking for the word free on the screen. It's looking for the image link below that, and so as soon as it finds it, it will highlight the word free by double clicking on it and then move down the appropriate distance to find the free image picture on the page. Okay, so it found the word free, it moved an offset from there and clicked on the image. Now it's looking for the download this photo button, the bright red one there. And during this process it can also be programmed to download the different image sizes and things like that. And now it's looking for the accept agreement link on the page. And it found it and clicked it. And you can see that we've got 214 credits left, but this is, for the demo purposes, I've set it up to only use the free image, so it actually doesn't cost anything to run this demo session here. And pretty soon it'll find the button. There we go. And it's even dealing with the file download dialogues and things like that. And it clicked on the save button. It knows that there's already one exists and it will just override it anyway. And the download completes. So it did that. Close the dialog. Oh, and by the way, I found out the problem after the reboot this afternoon. Somehow my video settings on my screen got changed from previous, and that was what was blocking the test from running. So all I did was set that back to the prior settings, and then it started working again. Okay, now it's looking for the small gray cross in the corner, and once it finds that, it'll move to it and click it. Okay, and now it's going to close the browser because it's completed its task there. It's going to sign out, and there we go, it closed the browser. Now it's just grabbed Outlook for email, and it's clicked the new button. Now it's filling in some information here. So it actually pulled information while it was doing the download. It grabbed like the image number and the file name and stuff like that, and actually collected all that information and automatically entered that in an email, and it clicked send, and there you can see I got the notification that the email was successfully received. So once again, this is doing exactly the same steps as a person, but now it can be automated so that we can sit there with, you can think of it as a robot just sits there and waits for requests. When it receives one, it will process the request and then respond back to the person requesting it. So, okay, thanks very much and have a good afternoon. Bye.